Introduction. Hey there, fellow digital explorers. Today, we're taking a fascinating dive into the world of cybersecurity, and trust me, you won't want to miss a thing. But before we get started, let's tackle the boring stuff real quick, and then we'll jump right into the exciting part. Disclaimer. I promise, this is not your typical legal mumbo-jumbo. We're going to make it as interesting as decoding secret messages. Disclaimer time. First things first, the information we're sharing is purely for educational purposes. Cybersecurity is a big deal, and it affects everyone, whether you're an individual, a small business, or a big corporation. So, take it seriously, but don't use it for mischief, deal? Remember, while we're going to have a blast learning, this is just the beginning of your cybersecurity journey. Let's keep it fun and educational. Now let's dig into the good stuff. What is cybersecurity? So, what's cybersecurity all about, you ask? Well, it's like the digital superhero that protects your data, systems, and everything online from sneaky cyber bad guys. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break it down in simple terms. Cybersecurity definition. Cybersecurity is all about keeping your digital stuff safe from cyber attacks. These attacks come in many flavors, but think of them as hackers trying to mess with your digital world. Types of cyber attacks. These cyber attacks can be like tricksters in a digital world. 1. Ransomware. Think of this as a digital kidnapper that locks up your files and demands a ransom to set them free. 2. Botnets attacks. Imagine a group of rogue robots causing chaos in your digital neighborhood. Yep, that's botnets. 3. Social engineering attacks. It's like a digital con artist trying to trick you into sharing your secrets. Watch out for those. 4. Cryptocurrency hijacking. Sneaky digital miners using your computer to make them rich. That's not cool. 5. Phishing. Like a deceptive fisherman, they bait you with tempting emails and hope you bite. The CIA triad. Now, let's talk about the CIA triad. Not the spy agency, but a crucial concept in cybersecurity. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. This triad is all about keeping your digital secrets safe, making sure your data stays reliable, and ensuring everything is up and running when you need it. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick intro to cybersecurity that's more fun than a video game. We've covered the basics, but remember, this is just the tip of the digital iceberg. Stick around because in our next videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these topics, and you'll become a cyber wizard in no time. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like if you enjoyed this, and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Thank you.